Ever feel like the big name stores are only selling you a ramp to get it off their shelf? Lazily pointing you to the only brand they have in stock. That's the way shopping for ramps in Australia used to be. Scarce options, limited advice, questionable safety. Until RampChamp was born, Australia's largest range of ramps. We don't see ourselves as a jack of all trades, nor do we strive to be. We're a master of one, ramps. Because after our founder, Matt Scott, worked in the civil construction industry for several years, he noticed a gap in Australia's market. We needed a trustworthy, quality, unbiased ramp supplier, some expert guidance amongst all the head scratching, and most importantly, someone to listen to customers' needs and put them first. And that's what we pride ourselves on today, with thousands of high quality ramps from leading brands. We've got ramps for everything, from excavators to wheelchairs to miniature dachshunds. At RampChamp, you can get any ramp anywhere in Australia. Visit rampchamp.com.au.